Tired of drowning in digital documents? Let's unlock peak productivity by automating Google Drive with the magic of Zapier. First, head over to Zapier Account and log in or create a free account. The search bar is the first thing you'll notice. This is where the automation begins. Click on the Create Zap button. A zap consists of a trigger and an action, while what initiates the automation and what happens as a result. Search for Google Drive in the Trigger app search bar. This is the service that kicks off our automation. Now, choose your trigger event. Let's select New File in Folder. This means every time a new file lands in a specific Google Drive folder, Zapier will spring into action. Next, connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. Granting the necessary permissions, you'll be prompted to authorize Zapier to access your Google Drive. Don't worry, it's secure. Choose the specific folder in Google Drive that will trigger the zap. Make sure the folder is set up so the files can be uploaded. Now let's set up the action. What do we want to happen when a new file appears? Let's choose Gmail as the action app. Select Send Email as the action event. This means a new file in Google Drive will trigger an email to be sent. Customize your email. You can add the new file as an attachment. Specify who should receive the email, the subject line, and the body of the message. You can even personalize it with details from the Google Drive file. Review your Zap, give it a descriptive name, and finally, click Turn on Zapped. Now, every time a new file is added to your designated Google Drive folder, an email will automatically be sent. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.